Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Lita here with a very smiley face. This is your first time. Hi, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up upon watching this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, because my analytics is reporting you to me that a lot of you guys that watches my videos you have not yet subscribed. So please endeavor to subscribe to this channel before leaving. Okay, you guys follow me on Instagram. If you've not been following me that way, you have a lot more access to talking to me, asking me any questions, business transaction, of course. Okay, so yeah, in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about pigmentation skin, causes and solutions to pigmentation skin. Asking you the solution. There is a solution definitely, but you have to first of all know the causes, or like what triggers pigmentation, before going on ahead in search of a solution. Or yeah, like I said, we'll be talking about hyperpigmentations, products you can actually use to clear or get rid of hyperpigmentation. But again, first of all, we need to know some certain things, the causes as well as preventive measures, before we go on ahead to prefer solutions. I'm still going to be recommending a few skincare products that you can actually use in order to help clear hyperpigmentation. Okay, so without further ado, let's delve straight into the video.
Hold me close till I get up.
If you have hyperpigmentation, discoloration and all of that on the skin, and the first thing you need to do or you need to know is knowing the cause of the pigmentation, because nobody was born with pigmentation. Of course, we know that it could be genetic and a lot of things can actually trigger pigmentation. Okay, but you first of all have to know the cause. Is it from, is it genetic? Is it from dry skin? Hormonal imbalance can actually trigger pigmentation. Your skincare products can actually trigger pigmentation. Knowing the cause of your pigmentation will give you a clear guide on how to go about it when it comes to sourcing for solutions. Okay, now the second thing is you need patience. You need to have a whole lot of patience in order to see results, because whatever it is I'm going to be listing out here, there are products that would work, but with time. They are not going to work in 7 days. They are not going to work in 2 weeks. There are products that will work over time. Now, come to think of it, you've been suffering from hyperpigmentation for the longest time. A whole lot of people have been going on with it for like a year, 2 years, 3 years. Some people have given up hope. Now, when I talk about pigmentation, it could be dark spots like knuckles, dark ankles, dark feet and dark knees. That's when you've been going on ahead with this pigmentation for a very long time and nothing happened to you. But the moment somebody tells you use this thing for 3 months, use this thing for 6 months, then you say, oh no, I can't deal. But you will still go on ahead. That 6 months will still come and pass, and then no matter what you do in this life, you have to incorporate or introduce patience in your day-to-day life in order for you to see results, like effective results. If you're looking out to gain something or clear something or whatever, you obviously would need patience. Without patience, no matter what I'm going to be telling you, no matter the solution, you will still not see results. Because I get a whole lot of people coming back to me to tell me, I'm using it for 7 days, I've not seen differences. No, a very, very good skincare product will not work in 7 days. It will not work in 2 weeks. I tell people this, so please bear this at the back of your mind. If you know that you actually want to clear pigmentation, in order for you to get results, maximum result, you need to give it time. Now, moving on, the third thing you need to start doing is using corrective products as opposed to whitening products. A lot of mistake people do is they go on ahead to start using whitening products or lightening products to try to clear their dark knuckles, dark knees and dark armpits. No. When you're clearing hyperpigmentation, you obviously need corrective products. Corrective products will help heal your skin, restore your skin barrier, especially for those whose skin barrier has been tampered with. You need to use corrective products so that it will help restore your skin barrier. It will also help to repair your skin and bring your skin back to default setting, like more like a revamp. Do you understand? To make your skin look renewed. If your pigmentation is caused by bleaching agencies, you obviously need a corrective product, okay, as opposed to whitening product, like, because there are a whole lot of people whose pigmentations are triggered by either hormonal imbalance, skincare product like I mentioned earlier. It could be genetic, it could be from dry skin, because a whole lot of people have dry skin. That is why I always tell people, before you venture into skincare, try to know your skin type in order for you to stay on a safe track, because when you know your skin type, you obviously know the kind of product that will work for you. If you don't know your skin type, I always tell people the easiest thing to do is go for products meant for all skin type. But if not, try to know your skin type and go for product that works for your skin type, and also try to get familiar with ingredients used to formulate some of these products in order for you to know the one that works for you. Like, know the kind of skincare ingredient that aligns with your skin type, because you don't go on ahead to start using all kinds of skincare products. There are some people that glutathione does not work for them. There are other people that kojic acid irritates their skin. Some others, carrot irritates their skin. So if you are the kind of person that get irritated or your skin easily reacts to carrot based products, you want to do well to avoid carrot. If not, you're still going to have like bumpy skin. Do you understand? So that's why I tell people, try as much as you can to know products that works for you. The next thing you need to know is that if your pigmentation is caused by bleaching agencies, you should discontinue usage immediately. It could be your soap, it could be your body cream, it could be whatever it is you're using. In fact, the very first step to take when you have hyperpigmentation is that you discontinue whatever skincare product it is you're using at the time. You might not totally trash it until you're able to figure out what is causing it. You should stop using whatever skincare product it is you're using. Okay, stop using skincare product that has alpha hydroxy acid, which is the stop using product that contains BHA. You want to stop using product that contains glycolic acid and salicylic acid. You need to incorporate or introduce products that are well known for moisturizing and hydration. You should look out for product that contains almond, aloe vera, glycerin, oats, and niacinamide. Those are ingredients you should look out for in products that you're intending to use to clear hyperpigmentation. Okay, like I said, you should go out for products that contains oat, glycerin, and niacinamide. Okay, now the next thing you need to start doing is use body washes instead of the tablet soap, because body washes tend to moisturize the skin much more than the normal bar soap does. So yeah, I know that tablet soap comes in really handy, pocket friendly, and can be accessible, but then again, there are so many body washes that are hydrating and moisturizing that are very, very accessible as well. So please do not limit yourself to using just bar soaps, because you feel bar soaps are very, very pocket friendly. There are still body washes that are very affordable as well, because like I said, body washes tend to, since they are liquid, they tend to be very, very hydrating, much more than this. So I'm going to be recommending a few body washes that I feel you should try out, that are very, very good, that I have tried and worked out for me. So you guys can see that this hand, there was a time I talked about me having knuckles, and I've been suffering from knuckles for a very long time, and then I showed you guys that this particular finger will never get clear, because in my head that was what I thought. I had an injury there. You can see the stone still there, but you could just see that I no longer have knuckles. Why? Because I introduced something new. The next thing you need to do is start exfoliating. Okay, like I said again, if your skin barrier has not been tampered with, I would prefer a physical scrub as opposed to chemical exfoliants. Now the physical exfoliant is the normal scrub, body scrub that we all know. And now when I talk about physical exfoliants, please, I'm talking about sugar scrubs, sugar based scrubs. They are very, very preferable, much more than the salt based scrub, because salt based scrub tend to trigger your skin, make you react to, like, it just irritates your skin, especially for people who has sensitive skin. So I prefer sugar scrub. But if your skin barrier has not been tampered with, you can go with chemical exfoliants. I know a lot of people would say, which particular scrub would you recommend? There are so many sugar scrubs out there, so by all means go for the one that you're very comfortable with. There's one that contains almond, there's this one that contains vitamin C. So yeah, you want to also go for scrubs that has antioxidants in them, because you need to exfoliate those tough areas, especially for your knuckles. Exfoliate your knuckles, and then make sure after a shower and after using your skincare product, you're not dipping your hands into water anymore, because dipping your hands into water can furthermore dry out your skin, thereby leaving you with dark knuckles. So which is why you want to put a conscious effort to avoid dipping your hands into water after a skincare routine. Okay, now for the body washes I'm going to recommend, or the products I'm going to recommend for people with pigmented skin, I'm going to recommend Dove body wash, Olay palm olive shower gel that is very, very hydrating. Shower gels like this can actually help to keep that place really hydrated. Like, they are very moisturizing, so you want to consider using some of this one. Like, you can just buy any of these. Some of them are affordable. As for the Olay Ultra Moisture Shower Gel, I'm not sure how much it is selling for, but it's very nice because it comes in a 500 ml bottle. Not sure, but yeah, I think it's either 300 to 400 or 500 thereabout. Okay, but it will last you for a long time. Then of course we all know that Dove body washes come in sizes, so ensure to go for the one that is really hydrating and moisturizing. Okay, like, go for skincare products that has, or go for skincare brands that has the interest of your skin concern at heart. The lotions I would recommend for people with pigmentation skin, number one here is Medix 5.5. It is also very good and it helps to take care of fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, then we have the Amlactin Bombs Be Gone. Amlactin Bombs Be Gone is also a very nice body lotion that you can actually try out if you're suffering from pigmented skin. We also have Amber Even Clear and Advanced Fade Cream that is also very nice. Now, why I'm talking about this particular product is because they are very hydrating. They have your skin concern at heart. They are not whitening or lightening products. They just help to hydrate your skin and brighten your skin. So there are skincare products that would work in 3 months and thereabouts. They are not products that will work in 3 weeks. So please disabuse your mind from using products that will work in 3 weeks when you're looking to clear hyperpigmentation or discolorated skin. Okay, we also have Aveno Daily Moisturizing Body Lotion that is very good to help moisturize your skin and keep it really hydrated. We also have the Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Body Treatment that is also very nice. This particular one is amazing. We have the Cetaphil Healthy Balance Lotion. Cetaphil Healthy Balance Lotion is also highly recommended. Of course, you can never get it wrong with Cetaphil, so I will highly advise for people who are looking out to clear some certain skin concern to go for it. Okay, Kojic Acid 2% cream is also very nice for people with hyperpigmentation. Don't forget to exfoliate the affected areas. That way it will make all these products to work effectively. Now, we are not going to omit the fact that, yeah, you can also go natural if you feel the need to go natural. Like, you can just go natural but still have this skincare product, right? Now, going natural is basically you using lemon juice and baking soda. It's not even that difficult. You use lemon juice, baking soda, and then add your sugar, only the affected areas, and then see, there are people who just drop a little amount of oil into this mixture and apply on the affected areas, leave it for a little while, and then wash off. You can also do a turmeric mask with honey on your face for people with black spots on the face that are looking to clear dark spots. You can also do turmeric, honey. Very nice. Just these 2 ingredients will help clear the hyperpigmentation in less than no time. But what I'm telling you is not something that will work in 1 month. It's something that you start seeing results in 3 months. You have to be patient with it. Like I mentioned earlier, if you are not patient, you will not see results. So please, you have to be very patient. Emphasis on patience. Okay, now, I haven't watched this video. I hope it was helpful. Please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you end up liking this video. If for any reason you feel I should prepare the remedy, then let me know down in the comment section. Like, you want to, like, the natural remedy. When I talk about turmeric scrub, there are a lot of people who do not know how to. I think I have that video down my channel, so you can as well check it out. Okay, now, like I said, avoid whitening products on this discolorated areas because they will furthermore irritate your skin, so which is why you need to avoid using whitening products on areas where you have pigmentation and discoloration. Okay, so you guys, like I said, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up and follow me on Instagram, like this video, it's very important, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. I'll see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.